since Valentine's Day is next week, I think, I'm gonna do some Valentine themed videos. Don't know how many, but so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I bought these little hearts from Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna do something with them. So I'm gonna start off with a medium-sized heart, like one of these. Then I'm gonna stick it more so here. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. And then I'm gonna take one of the smaller ones and put it kind of like on the outer corner. I'm just putting the stickers here just so I can get like the heart shape, because I'm gonna peel them off when I'm done with the makeup at the end. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the Norvina Volume 1, and I'm gonna use the red color, which is D3. And I'm gonna just start packing it.
You wild, boy.
You don't even listen. I ain't even tripping. Fucking keep it poppin', sippin'. Tired of fucking talking. When our eyes ain't even locking. Guess I finally got a feeling. And I'm off of you. I'm off of you. I need to say it. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. We struggled a little bit and my hair don't want to act right, but so yeah, it's just like a nice little Valentine's Day look, I guess. Just something fun and creative. And if this lash looks a little funny, it's because I ripped it a little while ago, because these lashes are like super old, but I ripped it when I was trying to take it off and I just kind of glued it back. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.